Alright there guys, welcome to my engine bay. See what sounds like stock from the engine bay. Hey, what's up guys, it's Kamikaze from StreetKiaz, and this is the new header, the new downpipe. This is the stock manifold and stock downpipe. Quite a pile of shit everywhere, and it's cold. But it's just gonna head right on down there. Alright, Kamikaze from StreetKiaz. There's my stock manifold, there's my stock downpipe and some rust buster. I just reconnected the battery for the first time since the header's been on. And here's the headers. Down there, I don't know if you can see or not. Yeah, I just I'm gonna clear this of all my tools. O2 sensors are connected and everything, and parking lights are on because that's what happens when you turn on the or reconnect the battery. Unlock the car. It's a snowy night here in near Seattle, Washington. Here we go. Success. Well, I gotta fix my stupid head unit. Battery's been undone. I gotta readjust my color so it matches the dash again, but that's not a big deal. Everything sounds good. Sounds much more throatier than stock. I got the VLED's LED conversion all the way around. And I'm ice skating right now. Should be an interesting test drive. Alright, I'm gonna take the car out for a drive. She sounds pretty cold right now, but from the back the exhaust sounds a lot deeper. Sounds good. Got her pretty well de-iced. She's warming up. Oh yeah, nice and warm in here. The engine feels like it's not trying as hard to move the car, if that makes any sense. Right now, just another Washington winter day. Let's downshift the car in a second and see what she sounds like. Sounds pretty good. Alrighty, welcome to my engine bay with the KFX Megan Racing Equal-Length header installed. Just kind of do some revving from in here, just warm up the engine, so this little comparison. Throttle response is definitely, it's more excited to rev. That's kind of how I would describe it. And then we'll go from in here again, just like we did in the previous video. Roll up everything. Hood's open though, but That's how it was again. Check engine light is on, but that's to be expected. And then I'll go from the back of the car again, just like the previous video. Alrighty, so that's the difference in sound, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Alright, Kamikaze from StreetKiaz out.